Good afternoon, my YouTube people. We got a kind of a cool little display I'm going to show y'all in a minute of our proven winners pots and plants, because we are now a certified proven winners dealer, which I'm really excited about, super stoked about it, because they just grow fantastic stuff. I mean, the name is no joke. They have trialed these plants and they're winners, and I'm going to show you in just a little bit later in this video exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm going to flip you guys around here. So we had to take a picture and send to them today after our certification classes and all. They threw us a pizza party, which was pretty awesome. Not a lot of companies do stuff like that, so they're just a great company to deal with. But you know, they don't pay me, we're not a sponsor. Did get free pizza, which was great, but I carry the plants because they perform, and they outperform anything else out on the market. Their breeding program, just the technology behind it is just amazing, and the plants speak for themselves. So we decided to stand on our steps today with all of our proven winner plants around to send those folks a picture. But I just want to show you a few of the things that we're carrying right now. One is this spiralis, this corkscrew rush juncus is really cool, and you can use it in aquatics. And one that I'm going to do a separate video about that everybody loves, one of my absolute favorite plants, is coffee cups. I'll just tell you briefly, I'm going to do another video, but this one's so cool because you see how it actually cups. Well, when it rains, it collects a little bit of water, and when it gets a little heavy, it dumps it out, stands back up. Absolutely fantastic. I'm so happy to have those. I special ordered these as babies and been growing them for the past few months, and I'm really excited to have them. I don't think another nursery here locally anyway has these. They are just phenomenal. So we've got them. I just put them out today, so if you want one, you better come get them before they're gone. And then over here we have the Pugster series Buddleia, which is just phenomenal. Has these huge panicles of flowers, and they're fragrant, and the butterflies absolutely love them. And then you can't go wrong with the Evolvulus Blew My Mind XL. Performs great in our heat. Beautiful blue flowers, and this XL gets 30 to 50% larger than the old Blew My Mind. You can't go wrong with any of their panicle hydrangeas. So let's see, this one here, this is that new one, Little Lime Punch. So we grew these as well from plugs because they're kind of hard to get. These are brand new introduction, and just look at that color that we're going to get. So they start out, you know, just like a limelight, but then they fade to that beautiful strawberry rose wine color. And you can't go wrong with the old faithful limelight, but this is even better. This is limelight prime, stronger branches, a little smaller of a shrub, but the stronger branches are worth it, especially when we have those southern storms. The blooms get so big sometimes your limbs will kind of, you know, weep over. But loropetalum, there's way too many to mention that we have. However, this one's worth mentioning. Look at this limelight treeform hydrangea. This thing is 5 feet plus tall. So this thing is going to be just a stunner in your landscape. And look at that thing. Look at the size of it. It's huge. And guess what? Only 149 bucks. I thought they were 199 or even a little bit more, but there it is. There's proof right there. 149 bucks, standard treeform limelight hydrangea. That will really stand out in your yard, make the neighbors jealous for sure. And kind of got a little bit of the same stuff going on this side. And but anyway, here's what I'm going to show you guys. The reason why I like proven winners right here. So check this bed out right here. So Ethan helped us build this one. Obviously got those ginormous boulders in the background. We got a nice little cedar log as a parking bumper, as well as the edging for this bed. But look at the size of these petunias. And I apologize, my shadow is probably going to be in the shot. But look at the size. I mean, this huge. There was a Deutzia, and still is, probably dead. Yeah, it's gone. They ate it. It's a jazzberry. Now that's 2 quart-sized plants planted about a month and a half, 2 months ago. Look at the growth on that. So for those of you who come and look at our nursery, you know, 1 quart, I think $6 or $7. And sometimes people say, well, that's too expensive. But look at what you get for that money. And a lot of times they'll buy a cheaper petunia, buy more of them, and not get that kind of coverage. That is amazing. Everybody that pulls up here oohs and ahs over that. So we've got, you know, 12, 14 bucks right there. All summer long beauty. It's hot as I'll get out. Some of my other petunias are kind of fading, other brands, but these guys are still going strong. I believe that's Priscilla. And so here, this is one single quart Vista bubblegum, taking up probably, we're going on 6 feet of radius. I mean, come on guys. That is proof in the pudding right there as to why I plant proven and sell proven winners. Just phenomenal growth. Got pineapple brandy coleus right there. Vista, I can't remember exactly which one this one is. So this is Supertunia Mini Vista White. Nice bowl-shaped petunia. Some more jazzberry back there, and some of their salvia, the very chartreuse salvia, beautiful, and some of it starting to bloom with red flowers. And then we have fire in tree form as well. So very similar to the light we just looked at, but this one turns a little bit darker red and a little bit different a bloom, more of a panicle. They're all paniculatas or panicle hydrangeas, but this one has just a little more tapered shaped flower. And then we're going to hop up here, and I've got another winner's trial bed. So I plant all their stuff, I grow it myself, see how it performs. That way we can tell our customers, hey, you buy this plant, make a bed, and these are going to be your results. You water it, you feed it a little bit, and you let the plant do the rest. So that's the new Ipomea or sweet potato vine that they've got. We've got lemon, red, there's that other salvia, or more of the same salvia we looked at. Huge. I mean, look at the size of that. Some of their Calibrachoa. That one is, holy cow, I believe. Let me look at the tag. I don't want to tell you guys wrong. Yep. Nope. Holy smokes. So Calibrachoa, holy smokes. There's some of that Juncus kind of tucked in there. Just phenomenal growth and performance, as hot as it is. Just amazing. So that's why we grow proven winners right there, folks. We trial them ourselves to make sure they can handle the heat. Don't do a lot to them. We plant them in our compost mixture, the good stuff. Let the plant do the rest. Easy. So come see us. We still got plenty of this stuff left. It's not too late to plant. Matter of fact, you know, it's a great time to plant. That way, these are young, healthy, vibrant plants we have, and you're going to have them all summer long. So come see us, buy some proven winners. We'll see you soon.